when I click this project, an image is popping up and it's going back, right? So for this, we have a tag called details. Okay. So whatever you put inside this details tag, uh, what it will do, it will only show the content when you click it, and when you click it back, it will close it. Okay, it's like a button, but it, it's a HTML tag. So whenever you click it, it will open. Okay. Yeah. So that's it, guys. So go through this template. I will provide you after this session with this PPTs. Okay. So I think now it's the quiz time. Jocelyn over here has some exciting questions for you all.
Now
Okay,
the
so
pressure is really real for me because now if the quiz is not nice, everyone's gonna be like, "Oh, she hyped up the quiz so much," but it wasn't that fun. So,
uh,
all
let's
right,
see. I hope it is good.
I hope so too. Okay, I'll just set it up. Just give me a minute and I'll start sharing my screen.
Till then, Jasleen, I think I should tell them about the certificates.
Yes,
Um,
go ahead.
so, guys, we asked you to fill the attendance forms every day after the sessions. So, whosoever has filled about 3 or more attendance forms, we will mail the certificate to you. Also, in a day or so, we will send a sheet to you where you could check your name and the email ID. So, if you have any changes in the email ID, you could just comment in the sheet itself, or you can tell any of us in the group itself to that I have this change to be done. So that is it about the certificate, guys. Thank you. Also, all those who have attended today's lecture, they'll be getting an extra certificate from VIT Bhopal University. So for that they have to fill that form which I've sent in the chat box just right now. And also do fill the attendance forms, guys. This is not the attendance form. This is just for today's certificate. All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Jasleen. Over to you.
Thank you, Anmol. Okay, I'll be just sharing my screen. Ashwin, maybe you can confirm if you can hear it and see it properly.
Okay.
Okay, can you hear it and see it?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. So, guys,
Yes. Yes.
are most of you aware with Kahoot, what we do in Kahoot, things like that? Yes, yes. Okay, so I'm dropping in the link. Head over there. Put in the code that you see over here. Join in. I'll be able to see you once you guys come in. So we'll just wait for everyone to sign up. Go to the link that I've just dropped in the chat, www.kahoot.it. Go in, it's gonna ask you for the pin, join in with the pin, and we'll just wait for everyone to join in and then we're gonna start. Okay, one player in. Okay, we're gonna wait a minute for
What's
everyone to come in.
what's the pin, Didi?
It's 817
Yeah.
4482.
I have dropped it in the chat as well. Okay.
Yeah,
So
thanks,
yeah,
Ashwin.
even I am also inside this. Yes. Let's see.
Yeah, and fun fact, just a couple of rules while everyone joins in. There are 21 questions in total. Some of them have points, some of them don't have points. So it's a mixed bag.
Okay.
All right. And there is only one correct answer for every question. And other than that, there's not much rules. Every question you get 30 seconds to answer, right? 30 seconds to answer every question. And that's it. We're going to see who wins.
Yeah, we get that options in color, right? So each
Yes,
option will be
yes. So you just have to look at my screen, check out the question. Once it comes, switch over to your tab and then answer the question. So, okay, a lot of people are coming in. That's nice. Also, this quiz, there might be some questions that you feel that you don't know and things like that. Like I said, only the conceptual questions have points. The other ones do not have points, so don't panic. Okay, I don't know this and stuff like that. I've tried to include something that everyone of us will like. So I hope you will enjoy the quiz. And there are no other rules. It's basically all regulated on its own. So 30 seconds per question. Mixed questions. Some have points, some have don't point, no points. So we're gonna see once the game starts. Okay, yeah, you can use any nickname, but it's preferable to use the name that you're using, so that we know who's at which part of the scoreboard. So that will be, hey, flash, no, not allowed, guys. What is this? How are we gonna
Sunny Leon.
Then no recognition for these people, huh, who are using random
Yeah,
names. I'm not gonna give them any recognition here. Sorry. If you guys don't use proper
Yuvraj
names,
Singh,
I won't allow it on the game. Sorry.
Tomato,
Who is tomato, guys?
Potato.
What is this?
I don't see any Nobita over here. Nobita, Jian.
Thank God. Otherwise, I'll be like, oh no. Okay, I'm gonna wait just another 2 minutes. I'm gonna start it at 7:27. Okay, so please join in those who are interested. Aditya, no, tomato can't be someone's real name. And if there are two tomatoes, then again we can't do anything.
That's ambiguous now.
Yeah, we're waiting. No worries. Tomato Sharma, no, not a real name. I'm sorry to say that. Okay, just once everyone's in, just let me know in the chat.
Nobita. We have a player
Preetham, you have to
Nobita.
go to this site and then you have to put in this number that you can see, the game pin. So then they will ask you to put in your nickname and then you can start with the quiz. Once I started from mine. Hey guys, again I'm saying random names, I'm not gonna give points, okay? I'll remove you guys. Give in your real names.
Babita Gada, what the fuck?
मैं नहीं देने वाली इनको points. This is cheating, huh? They're not going by my rules. Okay, are we ready? We have 67 participants till now. Anmol, are you in?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
Anmol is
joined
doing
it.
it.
Oh, nice.
Jasleen, is there an option like does it shows us that if two unmolds are there, will it show an error?
I don't
Like,
know. I don't think so. It's not that advanced yet, sadly. So guys, Kahoot has a 100 participant list. So by the time it hits 100, I can't do anything after that. So please hurry up, those who haven't joined the game already. Okay. 76 now.
Till then, anyone have any doubts in HTML, CSS, JavaScript?
Yeah,
Think we
it's
can
good to
ask that
clarify
thing.
doubts just before the
Yeah.
quiz. Last minute exam studying.
Yeah. Quick revision.
Quick revision, yes.
Yes. Even in React, anyone have any doubts? I think React was, pretty new to everyone.
Yes, definitely. Okay, almost at 80 now.
Privately, no answers. No, bro. No cheating. Someone's
Guys, what is this?
send
Okay,
it back.
Ashwin, who is that guy? Tell me the name. I am the quiz master today.
Okay, no problem. I will excuse him for now.
Last warning.
That's warning. Aditya, he volunteered himself.
This guy will do cheating all the time. This is not nice.
This website built with React, don't know. Maybe, may not be.
Just a heads up for the participants, guys. Even the chapter leaders do not know to do not know the answers. They have no idea what's gonna be on the quiz, so no point asking them.
Yeah, only Jesslyn knows today.
Yes.
She's the game master.
Abhinav will inspect this website after the quiz is done. Okay, Anmol, should I start or should I wait just one more minute? We have 80 participants right now.
Let's wait one more minute. Yeah.
Okay.
Until then,
Yes,
any doubts?
Anmol, I am sneaky, but what can we do? We're gonna have fun, so it's okay.
Oh my god, I'm so anxious about this quiz. Uh, let's wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Uh, do we need full capacity to begin? I mean, I
No,
can
no,
bring
no.
in more people.
No, we don't need full capacity to begin. It's fine.
Oh,
We can
all
start
right.
with 80 people as well. So I'm starting, guys. Okay, is it fine? Is everyone in?
Yes. Let's start.
Okay, then. I hope everyone's ready. And I'm gonna start it in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, here we go. First question. Which of the following is the correct syntax for referring the external style sheet? You can see the options on your screen. Go ahead and start answering.
Yeah.
Ashwin, no cheating, huh? Since you were the instructor on this, no cheating.
Yeah. Let's see who gets the correct
Ashwin,
answer.
come to the DMs, bro. What are you doing?
Okay, so the right answer is green. Anmol, I'm gonna kick your ass if you're doing cheating over here, okay? I can see
Yeah, bro.
everything, I can hear everything. Don't create other groups. Don't ruin the fun. And guys, the others also, please do not Google. It's a really fun quiz. It's not being counted anywhere, so try to do it on your own. Okay, so we're gonna see it. So 36 of you got the right answer. It's the D option, which is this linked rel style sheet type slash CSS, and ex.css is the CSS file that we are referring to. So this is the scoreboard. Currently, Dinesh is on the top. Congratulations, Dinesh. Then there's Saksham. Then there's Shantini. Hi, Shantini. We have, and this is the top five. So we have Aniket on top five. That's nice. So we're gonna go to the next question. I hope you guys are ready. Here we go. Who can answer this question? Who is Novita Novi's mom called? There are four options: Tamako, Suzu, Rina, and Morgan, three women. Choose the correct answer and we're gonna see who gets it. Hey guys, no cheating in the chat. I'm seeing everything, okay? No cheating in the chat. 3,
Yeah.
2, 1, go. The right answer is Tamako. 60 of you got it right. That's great. Let's see the scoreboard one more time. Now Saksham is on top. Ashwin is second. That's nice. So these are the top five for the game. I'm pretty sure, Ashwin, you had some revision because of all the,
Yeah, every
Nobita
character
thing
got inside
happening.
my head when we were discussing about Nobita.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay. Are we ready for the next question, guys? Let me know in the chat. I'm going to share the next question of the quiz. Next question. Ready, everyone? Hey, guys, don't do all this private messaging. I cannot answer everyone. Okay. Yes,
Nobita, no, I
Nobita.
don't know it was pre-planned.
Yes, it was pre-planned. It
Oh,
suddenly happened that you guys started talking about it right now. So,
yeah.
okay, next question then. 3, 2, 1, go. So you will be able to see a CSS code over here and you have to tell which type of CSS it is. Inline, internal, external, none of the above. 20 seconds, guys. I have 30 answers about right now. 15 seconds.
Yeah, actually, that image that we were generating, no, it was
It's taking
actually
time.
coincidence
Mm-hmm.
in that website that we are building for the portfolio. That guy with the spectacles.
Oh, Yes.
Yeah.
The correct answer is inline CSS. So 43 of you got it right. Congratulations. Let's see the scoreboard. Ashwin, cheating Ashwin, you can't be on top.
I was the instructor.
You have to take it easy because there are some other questions I think you might not be able to answer. So let's see.
Let's see.
Is everyone ready for the next question? Just let me know in the chat. Okay, is everyone ready? Shall I show the next question? Yes, yes, okay.
Yes.
Someone's missing Jaskiran today. Okay, then next question in 3, 2, 1. So you're gonna see an image, guys, and you have to choose the correct answer. Who is the best bhaiya among the following? There are 4
I know.
options. There's only
Guys, I'm
one
not
right.
ready for this. Come on, guys. Come on.
Well, there's only one right answer, guys. I don't know if it's gender specific or not. There's just one right answer. So try it out. Devanshu says too obvious. Is it so? Oh, okay. The guys are smart. They got it right. 23 of them chose my name. So that's nice. Nice. Anmol Bhaiya of you. Anmol Bhaiya is sadly very close. He lost by 1 point to me. Anmol Bhaiya, how are you feeling?
I chose my name, Jaslyn. Come on.
I'm not even playing. I'm the host. So,
Oh my god.
all right, guys. Heading over to the next question in a bit. Scores did not change because these silly questions do not have points, like I said in the beginning. Only the technical questions have points. Okay, someone's feeling sad for Anmol Bhaiya. Oh god. All right. Next question. Here is it. So, which of the following magic words were used in the show Shararat? So, I know most of you are pretty young, but I'm pretty sure all of you have seen these shows. So, the 4 options are in front of you. Go ahead and choose the correct one if you know it. Do not Google, guys. Do not Google. Try it
Guys, on
out.
the screen right now, can you, resemble someone from the nanny we have?
I don't think so. More. What are you even talking about? Oh, 75 answers already. That's fast. Guys, really? You got this one wrong. Oh my god, 45 of you went with Shaka. That's a different show, guys. Shararat is the show with the 3 magic family thing. Oh god. It was not a trick question. I just put that image to trick you guys. And you guys fell for it. So, no worries, no worries. Like I said, this question does not have points. Moving on to the next question. All right. So
It's in plus plus.
Ashwin is still on top, guys. Come on. Go ahead and now you have to like dethrone
Start beating
Ashwin.
me. Yeah.
Yeah, you have to dethrone him. He was your speaker.
When
You guys are better than him and
yeah.
smarter than him.
When you beat me, you prove that you are a better student.
Exactly. So here's the next question. You have to tell whether the following code is HTML or CSS. Take a look at the picture, decide what it is.
Fastest finger first.
Fastest finger
No.
first, definitely. Okay, 10 seconds to go, guys. The rest of you, hurry up. Hey, no discussing answers in the chat, guys. What is this? You have to win, okay? You don't have to help others win. All right, 65 of you got it right, so CSS is the right answer. Let's see if Ashwin is the okay, no, oh my god. It's the same, top 5 is still the same. Okay. Ashwin, do you have something to say for this?
I think Saksham is pretty close.
Pretty close, definitely.
Yeah. Let's see.
When did I cheat, guys? What is this? Why are you bitching about me in the chat? I did not cheat, okay? I am not helping anyone. Okay, Shantini, special mention, has a streak with 6 correct answers in a row. Great job,
Wow.
Shantini. Okay,
And
on.
then you didn't choose me as the favorite bhaiya.
I don't think so.
No.
I chose you, Anmol.
Love you.
Obviously,
Yeah.
I made the
Ashwin,
question. Actually, I made the question.
yeah, I just stole it
Oh.
from her and put it in the quiz. And obviously,
Jasleen.
Ashwin was there, and Ashwin was there in the list. So Ashwin was like, I can't choose my name. I have to choose someone else's. So he went
Yeah,
with.
too much narcissism that would be.
Okay, where is Aniket? Aniket was also on the list. Who
Yes,
chose
I'm here.
Aniket? Oh God. Okay. Next question, guys. Someone please dethrone Ashwin now. It's high time. Next question. Here it goes. How do you call a CSS document? You have to choose the correct option out of the 4. Take a look at all the snippets. Choose the correct one. How do you call a CSS document? That's the question. 15 seconds, guys. Don't get distracted by the Ninja Turtle typing. Focus on the options. Last 5 seconds, guys. 3, 2, 1. Okay, most of you got it right. So the option B is the correct one, which is the green one. So that is how you refer to a CSS document. That is how you call a CSS document. So that is the correct one, and 35 of you got it right. So let's see the scoreboard now. Okay, we have a little bit of change. Ashwin still on top, but Naman has come into the top 5. Great job, Naman. Is everyone ready for the next question? Just let me know in the. Oh, nice. Aniket, someone chose you. They're telling us in the chat. Is that...
Yes. Adit, love you, bro. I think so. Anmol has taken benefit of having a coordinator of the club.
I agree. I agree. He's still lost to me. So what does that say about him?
Ajay, you guys should, like, what the fuck? I spoke for like total 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, like 5 minutes in the whole 7 days. People actually love me, huh? Just because you made the quiz, they voted you out, hai. So don't be.
So we will see, guys. We will see. We will ask everyone in the end who is the best. We will settle this one again. Oh, someone's like, we'll vote for Aniket Bhaiya as PM.
Yes.
Aniket, do you want
Everyone
to be
needs
the
to
PM?
vote. Vote for Aniket.
So Aniket is the new Modi ji, is it? So he can be the Modi ji of our group for now, until he actually becomes the PM.
No one will be single in my Sarkar.
Okay, then let's move on to the next question. I hope everyone's ready. Here it goes. You have to again choose the correct option. What does a CSS declaration always end with? Look at the options, choose the correct one. How do you end a CSS declaration? 10 seconds left, guys. Hurry up. This is pretty easy. Most of you should be able to do this. 2 seconds. Okay, 45 of you got it right. So the correct answer is semicolon. That's great. Let's look at the scoreboard. Oh, yay! Ashwin has finally been dethroned. I'm so happy. So we have Sakshin on top, then we have the rest of the top 5, and most of them are new. So congrats, guys. Good job. You managed to make it to the top 5. We are only halfway done with the quiz. No cheating in the chat. And let's move on to the next question. I hope everyone's ready. Just let me know in the chat once so that I can present the next question. Is everyone ready? Yes, Aniket Bhaiya has universal support. I agree. But is everyone ready for the next question? Yes. Okay. I'm gonna present the next question. Here it goes. What is the real name of Hannah Montana? 4 options. Choose the correct one. Hurry up, guys. 23 seconds. Choose wisely. How many people have actually watched Hannah Montana? I would like to know in the chat. No Hannah Montana fans? Oh my god. How come? Oh, nice, nice, nice. Nice to see so
At
many.
the same time, I used to watch Best of Luck Nikki.
Oh, me too. Oh god.
Same Anmol.
Guys, again, it was a trick question. You guys fell for it. I asked what is the real name of Hannah Montana. Hannah Montana's
Oh.
real name in the show is Miley Stewart, not Miley Cyrus. Guys, read the question. Don't make me say it like a teacher. ठीक से question पढ़ो, guys. Best of luck, Nikki OP. Okay. Now, but from now on, guys, read the questions carefully. Okay. Look closely and see what I'm asking. All right. Next question. This again question did not have a point. Devanshu has a streak. Good job, Devanshu. As you can see over here. So next question, guys, get ready. Who did Elena from the Vampire Diaries finally end up with? So this question is mostly for the girls because I know most of us have watched this show
Spoilers,
at
nice.
some point. Guys, why are you calling me Auntie Anish? What is this? What is this, guys? I'm only 22. Oh my god. What is this, guys? I'm trying to be fun with you and you're calling me auntie and everything. No, boys can't leave. This is only one question, but surprisingly, most of you got it right. So what does that tell us, Anmol? Everyone has watched this show at one point of time. That is what I can tell. What do you think, Shantini?
Yeah, definitely.
I smell a conspiracy that guys just pretend they haven't watched it. We googled this. At least Alien is honest. I still don't know what Alien's real name is, but thank you for being honest, Alien. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Same scoreboard, heading to the next question now. Who made JavaScript? Since we learned it, so we should know who made it. Go ahead and choose the right answer. 20 seconds, guys. Ten seconds. Great job. Most of you got it right. The ones who chose me. I like the confidence, but that's not the correct answer. Great job, guys. Let's see the scoreboard. Any changes? Oh, okay. So Usman and Dia have now made it to the scoreboard. Good job, guys. So these are our top 5. Sakshan still remains on the top. Ashwin,
Good,
he
good,
gotta
good.
work harder.
Yeah, I'm happy for students.
Such a great teacher. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Okay, next question, guys. These are all JavaScript frameworks except, so you have to choose the odd one out here, which is not a JavaScript framework. So we learned one of them in our sessions. You have to figure out which one is not a JavaScript framework. 15 seconds, guys. Hurry up.
Ashwin, uncle, मैं अभी कब uncle वो
Anish,
पे
Anish should be removed from the quiz. He
Anish,
called me
just
auntie, he
a
called you uncle.
college student, bro.
These guys are purposely
Yeah,
doing.
not acceptable.
Not acceptable at all. Okay, so the correct answer is Django. 40, almost 40 of you chose it. That's the correct answer. The rest, Angular, Vue, and React are all JavaScript frameworks. So now
Django
let's
is a backend framework, okay? It is used for it's built on top of Python.
the teacher inside Ashwin came
Yeah.
out just now and he was like, I need to explain this to everyone before we move on. Nice.
Yeah.
So let's take a look at the scoreboard now.
It's good to be aware.
Ooh, Saksham has been removed from the top 5. Saksham needs to catch up now. Ashwin is again in the top 5 now. That's great.
Catching up.
Catching up, definitely. Yes, Anish, I am Punjabi, but that has nothing to do with the quiz, so that's not gonna help you. Justice for Mr. Saksham. Okay, next question, guys. Get ready. So we're on the 13th question. Which of the following does not use JavaScript? Choose the option that does not involve any JavaScript usage. 13th question, we have another 8 to go. Total questions are 21. Why did you leave the quiz, Abhinay? Oh my god. Was it that bad? Oh, by mistake. Anmol, can anything be done?
Yeah, maybe you can join again.
Anmol is just really busy on winning this quiz. He doesn't care who got thrown out.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, the correct answer is obviously printer. Very obvious, right? Okay, let's see the scoreboard.
Enter.
Okay, same scores. All of them have maintained their positions. Good job, guys. Devanshu hasn't been replaced in a while, so that's great. So I hope everyone's ready for the next question. Just let me know in the chat and I'll present the next question. Is everyone ready? Yes, yes, okay. Aditya, no, there's no match fixing in this. Do not create baseless rumors over here. Even the chapter leaders do not know what the next question is gonna be. All right, I'm gonna present the next question. Get ready, everyone. Here it goes. Where is JavaScript run? So you have to choose the correct options out of the four: client side, server side, network side, DNS side. Pay attention, choose the correct option. I'll repeat: client side, server side, DNS side, network side.
This is a good question.
I know. Thanks, Ashwin. Oh, most of you got it right. That's great. So it's a client-side run language. Ashwin, would you like to explain this? Why is it a client-side run language?
Okay, so we use browsers, right? So browsers are nothing but client-side applications. That's where JavaScript runs at the end of the day.
Correct.
Yeah.
Great. So I hope, guys, you're clear on why this is the right answer.
Actually, yes, like you said, it will run on server side as well, but that's a catch. Okay, so as you said, Node.js is present,
Yes.
right? That's a platform.
Yeah.
That's a platform. On top, it will JavaScript will run.
Exactly.
In background, Anmol bhaiya is still crying, guys.
Why, Anmol? Why? Oh my
I'm
God.
with you, Anmol.
Okay, let's take a look at the scoreboard now. So, oh, Devanshu has come on top. Saksham has made a comeback. Ashwin is on spot 4.
Trying to
and we have Pankaj here and also Mayank. Good job, guys.
They are maintaining this one scoreboard.
Yes,
Good.
Definitely. Is everyone ready for the next question?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. How does one close an HTML tag? Look at the options, choose the correct one. How does one close an HTML tag? This should be pretty easy, guys. We have written so much HTML code in this 1 week. Yes, blue ones an emoji, Devanshu. Yes, you're not wrong. Okay, and the right answer is option A. The ones who chose
some of you confused
one,
with green one.
Yeah. And some of you just purposely chose the emoji. I don't know why. All right, guys. Moving on to the next question. I just read that I'm a cheater. Who is saying all these things? Why, bro, Anish? What did I do? It's all. No one knows the answers. Okay. Don't call me a cheater and everything in the chat. All right. Let's take a look at the scoreboard. Ooh, Ashwin moved up, and Ushma came back into the race. That's nice. Devanshu still on top. Nice. All right. Next question, guys. Hope you're ready. Guess the name of the Valorant character from the below picture. So you have to guess the name of this character. For those who play the game, I'm sure this is gonna be a really easy question. Those who don't,
Anthony. Where's Anthony? Is there?
I don't play this.
Anish, why are you sad, bro? Why are you making sad faces and all?
He's
How
telling
many?
that he wants a name to the Bhaiya's list, and he's sad about that.
Well, what can I do?
Oh my.
Oh, okay. So how many Valorant players are actually there in the chat? Can I have a rough count? Any Valorant players? I saw Shubham saying the answer. The answer is Killjoy. Okay, guys, those who don't play Valorant, you should really try it out. No, no, I'm not Valorant Pro, but I play it. Guys, I expected most of the boys to be aware of Valorant. Anish, TikTok players not valid. We're gonna kick you from the meeting. I'm sorry. We don't entertain TikTok players in our.
Yeah, it's banned, bro.
It's banned.
Banned for a reason.
Ashwin is like, it's banned for a reason. Oh my god. How many of you watched the Tanmay Bhatt reviews of these TikTok reels? Anyone in the chat?
Me, I do watch it.
Oh, I love it too.
Yes, Ashwin, me
Oh
too.
my god. I love them. Oh my god. Those are the funniest ones. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next question. And the people who haven't played Valorant yet, you should try it out. Okay, next question. All right. Name the dog which is associated with the popular cryptocurrency Dogecoin. Choose the correct option. About which dog is it named after? Dogecoin is named after which breed of dog? Achintya, I agree. The online classes review was the best one. Oh my god, yes. Okay, any cryptocurrency portfolio guys here who invest in crypto? I invest in crypto. Does anyone else invest in crypto here?
सबको
Okay.
पैसा कमाना है.
Everyone got it right. Anmol, Coin DCX. Okay, nice. Dinesh invests over there. Nice, nice. So most of you got it right. It's the Shiba Inu. So there's even a new coin that has come up. It's the Shiba coin. It also has similar resemblance to the Dogecoin, but it's a different coin. I made a lot of money on Dogecoin, to be honest. Yes, Abhinay, you're right. Shiba is also a currency. Yes. Okay, let's take a look at the scoreboard. Okay, now Mayank is on top. That's nice. Vedansh has made it into the top 5. And Pankaj is second. Devanshu is still in the scorecard, but he is maintaining his position. That's nice. Okay, let's go move on to the next question. This is the 18th question. Which Avenger died in the last Marvel movie? Avenger fans, you should get this right.
वो लाल कपड़े वाला.
That is not the answer. That is not the answer. Anmol,
There are
keep
three guys
quiet.
in Lal Kapda.
Keep quiet, Anmol. Everywhere I
Female
go, I see him. Everyone's now quoting Marvel over there. Oh my god. Lal Kapde Wala is Deadpool also, right? Devanshu, you're right. Deadpool.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
answered in the first second only.
Thor
Abhinay is
also,
gonna
yeah.
top this one. Oh. Who said Hulk, guys? How did Hulk die? What is
View
this?
3000.
Okay, most of you got it right. Anmol, you gave the hint. I hate you. I'm gonna kick you in the next question if you do something like that. Don't ruin my quiz, okay? Answer it, play it, honestly. Anmol, are you there? I'm not gonna change it to the next question unless you say
Lamau.
you're not gonna do cheating. I
Anmol is
don't.
crying in the
I
background.
don't even watch Marvel movies. I don't even knew the. Correct.
No, it is not acceptable. Okay. Anmol Bhaiya, be like divide and conquer. Okay. The score is 0 for these questions because these are not technical questions, so they do not hold any points. They are just for fun. So moving on to the next question. I hope you guys are ready. 19th question. How well do you know means? That's the question, yes, guys. There's only one correct answer, so choose wisely. This is also a trick question. Don't come at me later. Don't come at me later that you didn't tell us. Only one correct answer to this question.
You
We
get me
take
so unconsciously.
we take memes very seriously in this group. These 19 people, I need to have a meeting with you privately. Anmol, if these people are from your college, what would you like to say to them?
Bro, I need to talk to VIT again to include IQ level.
Oh my god, guys. Okay, last two questions left. Last two questions left. Get ready, guys. Here we go. Which of these is not JavaScript event? Choose carefully which one of them is not a JavaScript event.
Lama,
On
how much
mouse.
is it our event or what?
Good one, Anmol. On mouse event, on hover, on click, on mouse over.
And then it again started from on, just
On more. Okay, a lot of you got this wrong. On hover is the correct answer. On mouse out is a legit JavaScript event. So next and final question, guys. Let's take a look at the scoreboard first. Vedansh is on top now. Good job, Vedansh. Then we have Mayank, Pankaj, Devanshu, and Ushna. Gurshan is making a comeback with 3 in a row. Good job, Gurshan. Last question, guys. Last question to make it to the top of the scoreboard. Go ahead, give it your best. Next question, guys. It's a true or false question. Only one correct answer, guys. Three, two, and one. Correct. Hey guys, who are these false ones? Oh my god, I could not be more obvious, and I still 12 of you chose false. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my
No,
god.
someone actually said pink bill for you.
Which what does that even mean?
Lama.
Piyush.
Piyush, would you like to explain that? Okay, let me just check the chat. Guys, no personal questions in the chat. Anish, not allowed.
No,
No,
bro, I don't
Piyush.
have a girlfriend.
Piyush would not like to explain that. Okay, fine. We're gonna just ignore that comment and let's take a look at the scoreboard. Okay. Third
Pankaj.
is Pankaj. Good job, Pankaj. Second is Mayank. And the first participant is Vedansh. Congratulations, guys.
Congrats. Virtual
Congratulations.
applause.
And the runners up are Devanshu and Ushma. Congratulations, guys.
Yeah, bro.
Oh
I'm
my god,
actually sad.
I'm
Aditya
scared
found my
to
emotions.
I'm sad to open the chat because I don't know what are these guys gonna tell me about the quiz. Okay, top three done. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen, and the quiz, I guess, is ended for everyone, right? Great job, Vedansh, Mayank, and Pankaj. I hope you guys enjoyed playing the quiz.
Yes.
If anyone wants to do anything, say anything, come off mute, feel free, since it's the last day, we're about to wind up. So feel free to say whatever you like. Ashwin Bhaiya lost, so the quiz is
Yes,
not.
justice for Aniket Bhaiya. Someone raised good question. Yes.
Okay, guys, do you want to decide this once and for all who is the best one? Do you want me to stay out of the poll this time?
Yes, vote for me, guys. Vote for Aniket Bhaiya.
Ashwin's voice is like Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
में काम आएंगे गाइस अनिकेत भैया फ्रंट एंड में काम आएंगे जसलीन दीदी कोलकाता चले जाएंगी अश्विन भैया भी फ्रंट एंड एंड यू नो ऑल दैट
Content में नहीं.
Someone's like, of course, not Anmol.
लॉल गए देखो मैं ही हूँ यहाँ तुम लोग का साथी
It is well divided.
Vote
Anmol.
for Aniket Bhaiya only.
Just see,
मैं मेंटर छोड़ रहा हूँ, कोई मेरी पोजीशन ले सकता है. Vote for me.
अरे अनिकेत
Yes.
अरे गाइस सेंट्रल इंडिया है भाई सेंट्रल इंडिया में रहो ना सबके साथ मैं हूँ यहाँ पे तुम लोग के लिए
So are you
Yes,
trying
indeed.
to put them against Ashwin as well, since he's from Bangalore? Anmol, is that what you're doing?
नहीं
Yes,
Okay,
ऐसे
Top
ही है.
says Jasleen Didi ka quiz, इसलिए Jasleen Didi favorite. Yes, I have won in life. I'm not playing any mind games, guys. No mind
Someone's
games.
writing some JavaScript code. Not Anmol Bhaiya, not Aniket Bhaiya, not Ashwin Bhaiya. Then who, bro? Yes. None of the above.
None of the above. Great.
Not a.
निकालो अभी इसको निकाल
Who says I own MacBook Pro M1, guys? Not me. Not me. That's not me. That's a wrong rumor. I didn't think, I just went with whatever questions I liked. Sports did not strike me, to be honest. Anmol भी like, क्या करूँ मैं मीटिंग लीव कर दूँ? What do you want as a giveaway, Chintzya? You ask, I'll give it to you.
Yes, me too.
Aniket, what do you want? MacBook Pro नहीं है भाई, MacBook Pro नहीं है, ना पैसा है, ना
MacBook Pro.
बिटकॉइन है, क्या चाहिए? और उसके अलावा बताओ, एडवाइस चाहिए, बहुत है. कोई No bitcoins, Aditya, sorry. I only deal in Dogecoins. Free treat Zomato, okay, done. For one person only who says it first. I guess Vedant should get it. No, technically, he came first. Vedant, do you want momos? Are you there?
I also want.
No, Aniket, you did not win the quiz.
Vedans is there
I
He just
saved you
did-
4 days ago only.
I asked for your address, dude. You didn't give it to me. Okay, Vedant, you can DM me. I'm gonna buy you a plate of momos.
Okay, Vedant has accepted. I accept.
Yes.
He said.
Aniket, there's
Okay.
some other people giving you Zomato and other things, so you can go.
Yes. Again, guys, justice for Aniket.
Hashtag justice for Aniket.
पीयूष कोई cheating नहीं हुआ यार. Everyone played nicely. It's okay. Okay, guys, I guess we can wind up now. Anmol? Because I don't think I can buy Zomato for all the 100 people here.
I can give away anything.
All right, guys. Okay, then I hope, guys, you had fun. Is there a feedback form for today, Anmol? Or are we sending it later?
We'll sending it later
Okay, all
So-
right. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the quiz. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the entire event as well. All of
Yeah.
us worked really hard to, if you stop doing that, if you're not going to explain what that means. So, thank you, everyone. I hope you guys, Anish, Ashwin is not going to send any Zomato food. I'm sorry.
Asal, so you come to my home, bro. I'll ask my mother to.
Yeah, he will ask
me
in
some
front of
masala.
your mother whether you have girlfriend or not. Certificates will be given to everyone, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the quiz. Bye, everyone.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
guys.
Thank you for participating in this event.
Thank you, everyone. Bye. Thanks, Rohani. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Oh my God, Anish का तो requirement list बढ़ते जा रहा है एक एक message के बाद. Anish,
What
don't
is
spam. I'm gonna remove you from the group. Anmol, I think it's time to remove him from the group.
All right. Bye bye, Piyush.
Bye, everyone. Bye. Take care.
Who to remove?
I can't see any other messages.
I think it's Jaskiran's ID only.
Bye, everyone.
Oh my God.
Pari is also here. I'm
Bye,
joking,
everyone.
guys.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
Vedansh, you can reach out to me, okay? Vedansh is from VIT, right, Anmol?
I don't know.
Okay. Yes, I can speak Bengali. Samin, আমি বাংলা বলতে পারি. Okay.
How to meet you?
Bye, everyone.
I mean,
Vedansh, please contact me or any of the chapter leaders, whichever group you're a part of. And like I promised, I deliver on my promise, so you can. I hope. Oh, from VITB only. Anmol, you can share his number, like share him my contact.
all right,
Bye,
Jasleen.
guys. Take care.
Bye bye. Jasleen, what about the party today?
Let's talk about it in the mafia group. Bye, guys.
Bye bye. Alright guys, I'm ending this meet for everyone. So if you have any last minute doubt just about the event, if you have any other doubt, just put it on the group. So bye bye. Alright, I'm ending guys. Bye. Bye Ashwin. Bye. Bye Achindya. Thank you guys.